Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into your ISP or carrier account. Use the app or website for full options. Once logged in, locate the active Wi-Fi or broadband plan page and note balance, expiry, and current speed. Make sure payment methods, promo codes, or vouchers are ready so you can switch immediately. You do this because knowing exact limits prevents surprises and lets you pick the plan that matches your usage and budget. Now, navigate to change or upgrade options and filter by speed or data to find suitable plans. Once you see candidates, tap details to understand throttling, caps, and any hardware requirements. Select add-ons like extra GB or priority support if needed. Make sure to adjust contract length and auto-renew settings so billing matches your intent. You do this because customization avoids overpaying and ensures the plan performs for your household or work devices. Finally, review the final summary and confirm the change. Check effective date and any pro-rated charges before you pay. Complete payment, save the receipt or confirmation ID, and enable auto-renew only if you want recurring billing. Once applied, reboot your modem/router and run a quick speed test to verify service. If speeds or allowances aren't correct, contact support with your confirmation ID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.